students, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ivan and I'm going to show you how you can use Access to do your projects. But this mainly my focus is to help the students who are doing their Form 4 classes, Form 4 computer classes, and they're having their projects for the next exam that is due, but because of the pandemic they're not able to interact with their teachers and they are confused, they don't know what to do. So roughly I'm going to show you how to have basic skills on Access for you to move on. So for today's class, I'll write here as activity one. I think you by this time you're supposed to be having knowledge on how to start your database template. So I'm going to name it activity one, saving it under documents, then I'm going to create it. Give it a few seconds. By default, Access is going to give you this panel, this kind of a dashboard. And then it's starting right. It will start by writing table one by default. So for Access, you need to know that it has in databases. You need to have an idea on how data is being saved. In Access, they are being saved under tables. Then we have queries that are going to be retrieving data from the tables. Then you have views. These are views are virtual data tables that you are able to use to navigate or play around your data in your tables. Then you have forms. Forms are the ones that you use to these are the forms you use them to access data from your tables. So and it's recommended to have all your input being done through your forms, not directly from your tables. Then we have also reports. Reports are mainly for doing your reports from your database, and you can design them to come out the way you want. Now, so as a quick one, we need to see how we are going to create maybe a table. For example, this is table one. You might think maybe you are creating a table of maybe admission. This is a sample. But remember, I'll not show you exactly how the next exam wants you to do your project, but I'll give you some skills that will enable you to go around it. And you can also comment down on my YouTube channel, or you can inbox me to so that I can help you on further assistance. So for example, you need to click design view, then you give it a name, maybe you say it's admission, then you save it. So by default you have this sign here as a key is a primary key. It's very important in when you're designing your systems. Primary keys are there to do to make sure that you don't have duplicate numbers. And then this is the field name. Then next here we have the data type. Data type here is the auto is it has the different types of data types you might use, and we will be going through all these data types as we go through, but for now we'll start with auto number. Auto number, it helps when you're keying in, maybe you're admitting these students, admitting maybe you type in like my name is Ivan, you type in Ivan. When you go to the next student, it will auto increment from 1 it goes to 2, 3, 4, like that automatically from the system. So for example, when you're admitting, we want to write the name of the student, then we continue. So as you can see, when I'm typing F name, there's no spacing. So the good practice is either you use the camel skill, whereby you each name start with them. Each word start with a capital letter, or you can use an underscore to link them up. So I like it using the camel style, whereby each word I use a capital letter to differentiate and to help me read well. So my data type will be text, so because I'm typing my name. Then I think I'll just use the two for giving an example. And from there, right click and save, and then I close. So Access has quick tools whereby you can just click and create a form. Remember, as I said, you cannot just come and start keying in directly from the table. Tables in Access are used to store data. So I'll close here, I click it, go to create, then I click the form. If you click form design, it will come as a blank like this one. It will come as a blank form, whereby you'll need a lot of time to start designing it. but I recommend for you, since you are a student and you want to cut on time, just click on the table, then click form. Access will create for you the fields automatically for you. See, like this. So, and already we have the form, and when you click here view, we can able to start keying in. For example, I can key in my name like that. Then I press enter. Immediately I press enter, it gives you another new form for me to key in. And if you look down here, you see it is going to record number 2 of 2. So if I go back, I'll see my name is in. Then to verify that, let me just save this form, verify that, and then I close. You can go back to your table and you see, voila, already the data is in your table. If I close, I come back again, I key in another person, I can come and click this icon, then I key in another person, maybe David, David come out, then I click enter. If I close, go back to my table, you see the data is being keyed in. Thank you so much for today's lesson. We'll continue on how to create another table. Then we'll learn how to create relationships in the next video. Thank you and keep following. Thank you.